สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Joy. Welcome to another exciting language adventure. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the bathroom. In this video, we are going to explore 10 must-have bathroom items. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, this video is for you to enhance your Thai language skill. มาเริ่มกันเถอะค่ะ Let's get started. And here is the first word today. I'm gonna show you the shower, but in Thai we say ฝักบัว One more time, ฝักบัว I want to give some notice about the first syllable here. ฝัก be careful when you say this syllable. You need to end this syllable in the G sound, not the K sound. Okay? ฝักบัว Let's try one more time with a shower or ฝักบัว in Thai. I think you can make it great. Okay, the next one here, the main item in the bathroom, the toilet. We say like this in Thai. โถส้วม โถส้วม The first syllable, you make it easy with the T sound. โถ and make your lips round. โถ The second syllable, ส้วม is a falling tone. ส้วม โถส้วม or the toilet. Move on here. We see the nice and clean towel, or in Thai we say ผ้าเช็ดตัว ผ้าเช็ดตัว ผ้า is a falling tone. เช็ด the second syllable is like when you say check in English, but you change the K sound into a D sound. Again, for the second syllable, เช็ด เช็ด The last syllable, you made it with the T sound. ตัว Bring all these syllables together. ผ้าเช็ดตัว which means a towel in English. Now, let's move on here to the counter here for some items that we can find in the bathroom. This one, a sink. We say in Thai อ่างล้างหน้า The first syllable อ่าง is a low tone. Suppose that this is the mid tone. We say it in the low tone. อ่าง One more time. อ่าง ล้าง ล้าง is a high tone. Start from la. Gradually make it up. ล้าง And the last syllable หน้า is a falling tone. หน้า อ่างล้างหน้า a sink. Let's take a look at this stylish faucet. It is called ก๊อกน้ำ in Thai. I want to focus on the first syllable. ก๊อก is like you say, you pronounce the word knock, knock in English, but the first letter you must start with the G sound and end with no K sound. Here it is again. ก๊อก One more time. ก๊อก The second syllable น้ำ น้ำ means water. It is a falling tone. Put these two syllables together to make one word in Thai. ก๊อกน้ำ is a faucet. Next one. Here it is. A brush, a toothbrush. But in Thai, it is the longer word. We call this thing แปรงสีฟัน แปรง with the vibrant R. สี long vowel. And fun is like you pronounce fun in English. แปรงสีฟัน a toothbrush. Next one. Oh, sorry that I brush my teeth very often. This is the toothpaste, but in Thai it is called ยาสีฟัน Very similar to the toothbrush. Change only the first syllable. Here it is again. ยาสีฟัน Let's practice again with the toothpaste. Alright. ยาสีฟัน Great. What's next? We have these things, two things, a soap and shampoo. I want to talk about the soap first. The soap in English, but in Thai it's very easy for you to practice. It is called สบู่ 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 You make the first syllable, the first syllable, สะ short vowel. บู is a low tone. สบู่ for the soap. For the shampoo, it's just super easy because in Thai we also call this as shampoo. This is exactly the same word, the same way when you pronounce shampoo in English. So no need to focus this more. Hi! This is the last word for this video. I want to talk about the mirror. In Thai, it is กระจก You make a short vowel for the first syllable. กระจก Both are short vowels. Let's try again. กระจก The last time practicing this word. Alright? กระจก And that's all 10 words, 10 essential items you can find in the bathroom. And I think now you are ready for the challenge. I want to challenge you whether you can remember all these 10 items in Thai. Let's start with the first one here. Can you tell me what it is in Thai? The shower. ฝักบัว And what about this? How can you say it in Thai? The toilet. โถส้วม Great job. Move to the next item. The towel. Can you tell me the Thai word? ผ้าเช็ดตัว Good job. Next, what is the sink in Thai? อ่างล้างหน้า Perfect. Move on here. My stylish faucet. Can you please tell me what it is in Thai? ก๊อกน้ำ Good job. What is this? แปรงสีฟัน Great. And what about this? ยาสีฟัน Perfect. How about a soap in Thai? สบู่ Well done. What is this? Very easy. shampoo. And the last question. Here it is. Can you please tell me the mirror in Thai? Krachok. Big hands for you guys. Very excellent. I think you have fun exploring the bathroom with me with 10 essential items. Please subscribe and ring the bell for the next Thai language learning from Thai with Joy. See you guys. Bye.